Hello my friends, this is unboxing of DeWalt DCC1054N. It's a portable compressor for my bicycle. Yeah, I'm a kind of minimalist. This is why I bought this compressor. And now I can unbox it. Alright. Yeah, it's a bit of hard to do it one hand. Okay, what we have got it here. And a manual, some warranty, and the compressor itself. Okay, it will be hard to do it one hand, so you'll have to wait. Alright, we have it. There's a DeWalt compressor with battery slot here and with front here. This is a pressure regulation. Pressure hose slot.